Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while. You guys know I always disappear for a bit. It's not on purpose, you know, just life happens. But I have a video for you guys today. Obviously, I have a haul. It's a little bit of a collective haul and a few things that have been sent to me. So let's just jump right into it because you guys know I talk a lot. I'm going to start off with Ulta. I actually went in not expecting to find this collection there, and it's the SpongeBob times Wet n Wild collection that I think I talked about in a anti-haul. I was interested in the sponges the most from the collection. I did see the palette in person, but it just wasn't my vibe. It had too many shimmery shades that I knew I wasn't going to use. And I'm trying not to buy makeup just for the collection, you know. Even though it's SpongeBob, I'm trying not to buy so much makeup because it's a lot. So I did buy all three of the sponges. Here I am saying I'm not going to buy a lot of makeup. But the sponges are different. I feel like you can never have too many sponges. No, you can never have enough sponges or brushes. Patrick sponge, I am already obsessed with this one. It's pointy. It's just like the perfect pointy sponge, and you can blend out your foundation, get in the inner corner like perfectly. Even if you don't like SpongeBob, if you want a good sponge, this one's bomb. And then I got the SpongeBob one, obviously. Although this one, I'm going to be honest, I wasn't too excited for it just because of the shape. It does kind of have like a rounded bottom, but I don't know. I would have to try it out and see how I like it. Obviously, I did get it because it was SpongeBob. How was I just going to get Squidward and Patrick and not get SpongeBob? So I did get Squidward. I think I would always say Squidward. I think we all say Squidward. And this one has a nice shape too. I actually like this one for foundation, and then this is just perfect for concealer. This might be good for baking, for the ones who do like that cut when they bake. That might be good for that. I'll have to try it out. I don't do much baking, but I would definitely try it out with that sponge. Moving on to Huda Beauty. I talked about these in the anti-haul as well. I told you guys I was super excited for them. It was like the browns collection, the mini obsessions palettes, which are some of my favorites. And I told you guys I was on this trend of just like brown eyes, smoky brown eyes, and clearly I'm still on that trend. I love the look of it. And I mean, the white elephant in the room, I did cut my hair. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which is where I usually stay active. Instagram and Snapchat, I always stay active, even if I'm not like on here uploading videos. But my aunt cut it for me and I decided to go short. I feel like I do this once a year where I cut my hair short and then I miss my long hair, but I'm like, you already did it. So I'm loving it so far. Anyways, back to the haul. They had like, I think it was a palette. You buy a palette and a little bag, I think it was. So this is a little bag that came with the collection. It's kind of like this tortoiseshell look. It is a small bag, but I am kind of into small bags. I know I'm a big person with a little bag. It's okay though. I think it looks cute. I would wear it like this. And then I picked up two of the palettes. One of them was kind of like a set with the bag. Brain fart. And I think this was included. It was like a set of something. So we have the toffee browns, and this kind of has like a yellow vibe and kind of like mustard yellow undertones, which I love. The colors are beautiful. I've used both of them already. This one is probably my favorite, the chocolate browns, and they had one more. This is the one I think I've used the most just because this brown is just like the perfect chocolate brown in my opinion, or on my eyes. I really, really like it. I will say I haven't used the shimmery shades in either of the palettes. I've only used the matte shades. And I know I have a bunch of other palettes with matte browns, but I wanted these. I just really like the Huda Beauty mini obsessions palettes. I've always liked the formula of them, so I got both of them. And then the brown liquid matte minis look like this. We have 4 brown liquid lipsticks. Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks are some of my favorites. I do like them a lot. I have 2 full size. One I think I used up completely, and I think it's called Trophy Wife. It's like the perfect everyday pinky mauve, kind of nude pinky mauve, and you guys know I'm a huge fan of those shades. So we have 4 mini ones, and I feel like it's a better size to buy like this because you get less product and you'll be able to finish up, you know, a liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna start off with on top. I'll do swatches for you guys since I always forget to do them. This one's a really pretty, like kind of like a brick brown shade. Then we have Her Majesty. This is like a perfect brown, which I want to do like a thin wing liner, lashes, and just a brown lip. Then we have Trendsetter. I think I had this color, I'm not sure. Actually, no, I don't think it was this one. My swatches just became horrible. Excuse that, but it's really pretty. And then we have Alpha Femme. This one's like a really nice nude brown. That's what that looks like. So those are the swatches. I really like all the shades. I think I've used like 2 of them, but I still need to do a look with that brown. Just brown and wing liner. I'm really into that. Next, we have a few things from Sephora. I don't know if I showed you guys this last haul I did, which was a while ago, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys again in case I didn't, so you guys can see what's coming up in future like tutorials. Anyways, I am going to be doing a trying new makeup with these products because I just feel like those are more interesting, because you know you're trying out new makeup, and this is, I would say, old new makeup. They're not as recent launches, but they're still new launches. Fairly new. I'm going to start off with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Foundation. They reformulated. It doesn't have scent. Finally, I love Huda Beauty's face products, like the concealer, the powder, the foundation, the original ones, but the scent was intense. I always told you guys I don't mind, but it is like that kind of like a powdery old lady perfume, and it just sometimes it does get overwhelming. And I'm going to say that because I paired all 3 products, the primer, not the primer, the concealer, the foundation, and the powder. So my face did smell throughout the day. I'm going to be completely honest. I love the coverage and everything it does, but I definitely feel like they should cater to, they would cater to more people if their products didn't have scent, because some people, you know, are allergic to perfumes or all of that scent in their products. So this is shade Latte 300, and I kind of feel like it's a little too orangey or a little too dark, but once I set my makeup, I feel like it's a good match and it'll be a good summer foundation. So I'm going to keep this shade. I'll give it a few more tries, and if like I for sure just it looks too dark, too orangey, then I'll exchange it. But if not, I'll keep it for my summer shade. And then we have from Milk Makeup the Hydro Grip Set Refresh Spray. I did try the primer, but I told you guys that the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer is literally the same thing as that primer. It's the best dupe that I've found to that one. And I've tried all the other jelly primers compared to the Milk one. I feel like this is the best one. Color, texture, the way it feels, the way it makes my makeup last. This is just like the best primer to that. But I still do like the Milk Hydro Grip one. So I decided to give this a try because, you know, we gotta keep the makeup locked in place. And I don't know, the color, the packaging, it just caught my attention. Then we have from Patrick Starr's One Size Beauty brand, Secure the Blur. You guys know anything that will blur my pores, blur my skin, I'm all for it. So I decided to pick this up. It's the Makeup Magnet Primer. I've tried it once, but I have to give it another shot because I tried it with a bunch of new products that my makeup was a hot mess and I couldn't figure out what didn't work because just everything was a mess. So I had to try this with the foundation that I already know and love, so that I can really see if it works good with that one and then try it with other ones, as opposed to trying it with everything new. That was not a smart move on my part, but I have to try this. Then I have the Benefit Professional Super Setter Setting Spray. You guys know the Professional Primer has been my favorite for so many years that I could not pass trying this up because it's a long-lasting makeup setting spray. Summer's around the corner, and you guys know I do full face always.
It's a fly, of course. So rude. Always. Every time I'm filming. I'm not filming, you don't hear a fly. So rude.
So I definitely had to pick this up because just the Professional has been my favorite. I did get the small one because I like that it's more convenient to carry in my bag if I need to refresh my makeup or I forget to set it when I'm doing my makeup. You know, I have it in my bag. So I'm excited to try this out. Then I also have the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24-Hour High Coverage Concealer in the shade 2.3. I had purchased this was an exchange because the shade that I had gotten was like the exact shade of my skin, and obviously I want a concealer to like brighten my under eyes and do all that, so I went I think like a couple shades lighter. I haven't tried this one specifically, but I had tried the other shade that was like the perfect match to my skin, and I honestly don't remember how it worked, and I really didn't pay attention because I mean I forgot. But I'll try this one out and definitely let you guys know how it works. So that's from Sephora. I do have 2 drugstore products. I think over on my Spanish channel, it was requested that I try this foundation if I could do a review. And I picked it up. It's the CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1 Foundation. Full coverage, SPF 18. What a mouthful, 24-hour wear. I got the shade Warm Beige. And I honestly thought it was the same as this. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. And this one's 12-hour wear. So we got extra 12 hours SPF in this one, and it's extreme wear. But who's wearing their foundation for 24 hours? That's extreme. Extremely extreme. So I'll have to try it out and let you guys know how I like it. And then the e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. I love the Jelly Pop Dew Primer, so I decided to get this one to try it out. I mean, their packaging also really catches your attention, and you guys know e.l.f. is super affordable, so I was like, let's get this and try it out, see how it works. So I'm excited to test this one out. Now the last purchase is from LashesByTeeh. I bought some lashes and my friend included some. I will leave her link down below so you guys can shop her lashes and check out her Instagram. I picked up a sponge, pink sponge, super cute. Tell you guys can never have too many sponges. She included some scissors, and she sent me 2 styles, which is Baja California, this one, super dramatic, and then Jalisco, which is my favorite style from her lash brand. And again, it's LashesByTeeh, but I will have all the info down below as well. And then I picked up a little bundle she had, which is this one. I love the packaging. So cute. And then we have 3 lashes inside. Nice. We have Sinaloa, which is the first one. That's another of my favorite. I'm always wearing Sinaloa or Jalisco. And then this one's Culiacan. Super dramatic, I know, but honestly, I'm excited. I'm back to wearing lashes. Obviously, I'm not wearing any today, but I'm back to wearing lashes. And then the bottom one is La Plebe, which I've actually tried, and they look really nice on as well. You guys know I have small eyes, but I still love wearing the dramatic lashes. So this is just such a cute little bundle. Again, I will leave her link down below. Check her out, Instagram and her page. And now we have from Pop Beauty, we have a little box, little orange box. I love their packaging. They always do like different colored boxes according to the product inside. And this is an extra lit B shot. and it's an exfoliating serum, which I'm excited to try because my skin has been breaking out a lot, especially in this area, and then this area. It's probably the mask me, and I wear makeup and I wear my mask, so obviously it makes more acne. But you know, what are we gonna do? I want to wear makeup, so I'm excited to try these out. I'll let you guys know how I like them and how they work out. And then we have from PIXI Beauty. Look at this cute packaging. This is On the Glow Blush Tinted Moisturizer Stick. This is exactly how the actual product looks, and they did the packaging to match the product. Look at how cute this opens up. And we have 3 of these On the Glow blushes. This color is gorgeous. We have Juicy, Fleur, and Ruby. So cute. I'm excited actually to wear this. You guys know I don't wear cream blush, but I will definitely try these because they're not like super crazy pigmented. So you open them like this, and then like you can twist it up. Obviously there's product there already, but I'll do a swatch for you guys. Look at how pretty that is for like a no makeup look, or you know, if you're going to the beach and you want a little flush. This looks so pretty on the skin. I saw, I think, Desi Perkins apply it, and it looks so beautiful. I mean, obviously her skin's perfection, but it looks so beautiful. It's not like super pigmented, and I just can't do those cream blushes that, you know, you have to like be very careful because I feel like I'm always heavy-handed. So this is something that I will definitely try out and do like a more, I would say, toned down makeup, but something a little more natural and glowy. I feel like I'm always doing matte, which is what I love, but I can also try out, you know, a glowy look. So thanks PIXI Beauty and Pop Beauty, LashesByTeeh. Lastly, we have from Pat McGrath, but it's from Influencer. They sent over I got a Pat McGrath box, which girl, I was so excited for. I am so excited for. So they have new blushes. It's the Divine Blush. This is in the shade Paradise Venus. And the packaging, I mean, guys, Pat McGrath packaging is so beautiful. When I saw this box, I was like, no, I did not get Pat McGrath. And I got 2 products. So the first one is the blush, which is beautiful. It's kind of like a deep mauve shade. I'm excited to try it out. Like the print, the imprint on it. Is it imprint? I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's like embossed. Whatever the word is, it's like a rose. So pretty. I definitely will be putting this to use very soon. And then the palette. They sent a palette. We have the Venus in Fleurs Luxe Quad Voyeuristic Vixen. I like the name. Oh, guys, I know it's not going to do it justice, but it's beautiful. This color is like a color I've always wanted to try from Pat McGrath. It's like those beautiful like holographic shades, duochrome. I don't even know if you're going to be able to. It's just so beautiful. In the pan, this other shimmery shade is really pretty too. The brown shade. Ooh, it's more of a mauve. Cute. So I'm excited, especially for that color. I will definitely be doing a tutorial using this because I cannot wait to put that color all over my lids and just do like cut crease with that color. Just, I'm excited. I'm excited for that. And I will be trying new makeup of these products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for always being patient for me when I disappear and when I don't upload. I'm going to try to get back on my game and just, you know, be consistent and have videos for you guys because I truly love to do these videos and I did miss you guys. So yeah, thank you again for all your support. And like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.